It matches.
Woo!
This truck, I don't know. I'm starting to fall less in love with it every day. But what just happened for the past hour, we went to adjust the cab a little bit, and then all the blocks collapsed. It came off of its perch. We needed to move it just a little bit, and as soon as we did that, we lost everything that was aligned. But now, through a series of cussing, fussing, sweating, and fighting, we have 8 inches matching to the bolt on each part of this firewall. And then the alignment here to the tab is 7.5 on both sides. So we're feeling good about it. Both doors swing open. We know we're gonna have to trim that hood, but I just felt like having the face of this thing up a little bit taller than it used to be was gonna help with our tire and step clearance issue. We'll do a little surgery on this hood in the near future. Oh, look at this. Yeah, see, we're definitely tall. No, look at that.
Oh,
You're
wow.
right in the ballpark.
It's almost there. I did not expect that.
I did not expect that either.
Let's see. I mean, it needs to come down a little bit. It's the same on both sides.
Right.
But not much.
What a pain in the butt.
Mm-hmm. Take it out like this.
So yeah, our tires are pretty close in the fenders. Right about there. That's kind of the story for today.
So for those of you that know me, I'm Alan Benuelos. I have Fabco 806 and doing my thing out there, trying to keep it interesting. So
that's for YouTube. They can't hear me. I don't have a mic.
Oh, and yeah, my YouTube, and follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. It's all Fabco 806. So thank y'all.
Yes, sir.
And thank y'all for having me out.
Yeah, man. That's what we're doing too. Alan's helped me with this truck, but he's also doing my infamous race truck, the Ford that would not die, is going on to a new life. So Alan and I came to an agreement. It went to Texas, and now it's going through a full body transplant. And what's Laura's truck's name?
Junebug.
Race truck. It becomes Junebug. Stay tuned.
Right, that's pretty cool transformation.
Yeah. We've been calling it Junebug RT since it's going to have that big engine in the hood.
Race truck edition.
Exactly.
Yeah. We're going to pull this, beat this. This truck is way out of shape, but we're one step closer. Mm-hmm. Nobody said it was going to be glamorous. Except me.
Nope.
It's going to be glamorous. So, our Shopify store is open. We have both glow-in-the-dark and non-glow-in-the-dark t-shirts. I'm currently modeling the 2X in men's. Check them out. They're only available for a limited time. Get some. So the whole thing's so crooked, but all that matters is that the measurements line up.
Right.
So we got 7.5, 7 and a come up
on the fender.
Let's just leave that clamp hooked for 1 second. If I undo this, it might shift. Right. Yeah, jack it up just a little bit. Seven and a half. All right, let's just weld that. bolted the body from the mounts, and we're shimmying this cab around, trying to get it centered and the wheels and the wheel well, as it was on the other truck. Alan is here. He's been here for a week so far, and
What's up, Alan?
Hello.
working on other stuff.
Oh yeah.
So we're going to take a little time this afternoon and try to weld the nose on this truck, now that the body is kind of perched. I think we're going to weld the fenders right to the body. In the other one, the cab was hinged. The cab hinged up away from the engine, but we don't have that issue on this truck, so we're going to make the cab and the fenders one piece, and only the hood will open. You can see kind of a line here where the paint's a little bit scuffed. That's where the fender used to meet the cab. So I guess we're going to sand all that up. And they had done this so that you could open the doors. That was the whole spiel here. You can see that's how they ended up with that fender being cut right there. So, yeah, I'm going to raise up this body a bit, expose that area.
All right.
This fender particularly is pretty beat up. See how it swings way out here? So I think
Oh yeah.
Alan maybe will clamp a big piece of steel in there first, and then bang it back into shape before we put it back on. But I'll clean up all this. Let's start cleaning the paint off the cab too.
Cool.
I noticed about the hood is it was probably never perfect even to start with.
Right.
We're having a little issue with this crown here, but we'll bop that with a hammer once we get these fenders in place. The problem we're having is this hood got so whacked. I feel like it's flat in the center here.
Oh, I see it.
That's the technical way of doing it.
Hey, it works. That's one way.
See how this is made? All those pieces, all
Mhm.
gas welded.
Yeah. There we go.
That's weird because that puts the cab really far away from where we have it. Unless maybe because the cab was on a hinge, like it was hopping around, and that's why the scuff was up so much higher, because the cab could have been going
Right.
rubbing against the fenders the whole time.
So what are you trying to figure out?
This circle, the rim's got to look good in the fender arch. That's the primary thing. See, it looks good, right? Pretty much right there, doesn't it? And then the cab,
That's coming forward
yeah, it's got to come forward
quite a bit.
quite a bit.
Yeah, it must have moved when we were.
I had it bolted down. That's why I took the bolts out so we could slide it. Oh, the cab's just not straight. Because look, yeah, the cab's going.
Oh, it is twisted. Okay.